All right, here we have a very simple algebraic equation, x plus 2 equals to 4. We were willing to find the value of this x, okay? So what we can do in order to calculate the value of x, we can say that we want to make this x alone, so that what's the value of this x? So we can say that if we add minus 2 on both sides of the equation, on both sides of equation, okay, minus 2 on both sides of the equation, okay, which means left hand side and right hand side. It will become x plus 2 minus 2 is equal to 4 minus 2, okay. So what happens, this plus 2 and minus 2 gets cancelled up, and what are we going to get over here is basically we're going to get x is equals to 4 minus 2 is 2, okay. So this was a very simple equation for us. Okay, this was okay, problem 1. Let's go to another problem, problem 2. Okay, and our equation is basically minus 2x is equals to, so what we can say, our equation is minus 2x is equal to 6. Okay, so how to solve this problem? Again, we're interested in the value of x. What we can do is basically, since we're interested in x, we can divide the denominator by 2. If we divide it by minus 2, we will get this x alone. Okay, so what we can do, divide the denominator, divide the denominator by minus 2 on both sides of the equation. Both sides of equation. Okay, so what we get? We say minus 2x over minus 2 is equal to 6 over minus 2. So this 2 and minus gets cancelled, and what are we going to be left with is basically x is equals to minus 3. Okay, this is our answer after solving this algebraic equation, minus 2x equals to 6. Now what we can do is we can go to another equation, and this equation is basically, we have got 2x plus 7 is equal to 2x plus it's not 7, it's 1. 2x plus 1 is equals to 7. Okay, so how to simplify and solve this? Again, we are interested in the value of x, but this x is basically in the bracket. So, and this 2 is basically being multiplied with this expression, full expression, x plus 1. Okay, so what will happen? We can multiply this 2 with x, it will become 2x. We multiply by 2 with this 1. Okay, so it will become 2 ones are 2 is equal to 7. Now we are interested in this basically x, so we can simplify it further by basically we can say that if we add minus 2 on both sides of equation, on both sides of equation, so what we get, 2x plus 2 minus 2 is equal to 7 minus 2. Whatever we do on the left side, the same we do on the right side. So we're left with 2x is equals to 5, and again we are interested in the value of x. We can say divide denominator by 2 on both sides. Both sides of equation. What we get? 2x upon 2 is equals to 5 upon 2. So what do we further get now over here? If you look at it, we will get this 2 gets cancelled, and we get x is equals to 5/2. This is the solution for this algebraic equation. Okay, so now we go to another equation, algebraic equation, that is of the form, if you look at it, is of the form 2 upon 3x, okay, which is basically a ratio, is equals to 5. So if you look at this algebraic equation, 2 upon 3x is a ratio and this is 5. For this simple algebraic equation, we are interested in x. We can simply solve it by cross multiplying it. If you look, we can write it the same equation in this way: 2 upon 3x is equals to 5 upon 1. Okay, and then what we do is basically we can cross multiply them. If we cross multiply them, we will get it as 2x multiplied by 1 is equals to 15. So we get it as again, if we divide the denominator, by 2 on both sides, of equation, both sides, which means we can say 2x upon 2 is equal to 15 upon 2. So what we get, 2 and 2, 2 ones are 2, we get x is equals to 15 upon 2. So this is the solution for this algebraic equation. Okay, so this was our equation 2. This was our, if you look at it, this was our equation 3. This was our equation 4. So here we have tried to solve simple basic algebraic equations, and I hope you have understood it, how to solve these basic algebraic equations. I will come up with another video for slightly more advanced algebraic equations. Okay, thank you.